guys, good morning, good afternoon. I just got ready. I'm making some coffee and I'm actually going to my friend Danielle's. We're gonna get some lunch. So I'll share with you what we're gonna get. I'm super excited for that. And yeah, we're just gonna hang out today, so I figured I could vlog a little because I haven't been able to, and you guys know I love vlogs where I'm out and about. This will be a day in the life. On that note, I will see you guys maybe on the road. We can chat a little. Hi you guys, I'm gonna be turning, so I should have waited till I was going straight. I'm headed to Danielle's now. I made my coffee. I love car chats, you guys know that. I know a lot of you really like my car chats. My voice sounds like this because I couldn't not fall asleep last night, like at all. It was like, I know I seen 4 a.m. and it's like anytime I know I'm gonna do something the next day. Well, we kind of planned this like last second right before bed. We were like, let's hang out and get our lunch, like this thing that I'll show you later. Just like whenever I'm gonna be hanging out with a friend or going somewhere or doing something, my body doesn't want to sleep because it's excited almost, or like, I don't know. It's always with Danielle too. I think it's because I'm excited, you know? But then again, my body does it also when I have anxiety. But I know the difference. Like last night I just was excited. I couldn't stop thinking about like other things, like money related stuff, or, you know, just typical things you worry about in life. Let's try my coffee today. I did an extra large cup instead of like the normal. So I did an extra scoop. So I hope that this isn't too strong. Oh, it's so good. So my Italian sweet creamer, they repackaged their, they repackaged their sugar-free stuff, which I've mentioned, and it's almost like it tastes better. I don't know if they like completely redid the formula, which I highly doubt. I have to check that I'm recording. I always have to check that I'm recording, you guys, because there's times where I'll be blabbing on and it's like, camera storage full. It's like, come on, get with the times, you know? No, so like when I used to work, sometimes, or when I had worked like the Monday through Friday job, there'd be times where I would see 4 or 5 a.m. I mean, one time even when I was working at the urgent care, I seen 6 a.m. and I had to get up at like 6:30, and I was so like tired, but I couldn't sleep, so I actually called in. But it's like I can't go work a 12-hour shift if I'm dead exhausted, and like at that point you start to not feel good, and I cry, and it's frustrating more than anything. The worst thing about driving is when you see like a cop, an old cop car wannabe that someone probably got at an auction or whatever, and it's like, it's not a cop clearly, but it's like, really. So another thing I want to talk about is I uploaded a video of like why you might not be losing weight, and I wanted to emphasize that that's not just if you're on Weight Watchers. That could be for any diet, keto, low carb, anything. And I'm maybe making another like that, but we'll see. So I can update you guys a little on my life. I'm finally back down weight. I'm still up weight, like I'm not down weight, but I'm down what I was, like what I gained. If that even makes sense. Basically, I'm on track for this diet bet. Let me think. I'm only 5 pounds away from hitting goal already for the diet bet, and I was supposed to lose 11, so that's insane. Like, I already lost like 6 pounds. I have been trying, but my phone's going off and I'm driving, of course. No, so I actually was doing really bad the last few days. Not the last few days here, but before that. So like 4 or 5 days ago, I was doing really bad. Like over the weekend, anything that I could eat was going in my mouth. Like I was just having really bad episodes, and I'm not like I've never been to the doctor and diagnosed that I have binge eating or whatever, however you say it. But like I do feel like maybe I have it from dieting so long. I don't know. Because you know, when your body is so restricted for so long, it wants what it wants, and sometimes it's really hard to come away from that. But I'm really good at like controlling it. Lately I just haven't had an appetite the last few days, and I think it contributes to eating that much food. So I mean, like right now, all I've had yet today, it's 12, is this coffee. Another thing too is like, I don't have a set schedule. So I'm gonna start making myself a set schedule, make YouTube videos. Like I want to focus on YouTube a lot. So back to the formula. I think it's just so good. The secret Krabby Patty formula. Sweet cream. Like I don't care who you are, the Italian sweet cream sugar-free is 10 times better than the vanilla or the hazelnut. But if you're a vanilla hazelnut fan, don't be offended. I'm just saying what I think. So if you're about to hop on the coffee train with creamer, I think you should probably try the sweet cream. Even my friend Danielle loves it, so that's saying something. She's picky as heck, and that's who I'm going to see today. I'm very excited. I love her. She watches my videos, so hi Danielle. I hope that you're caught up. I enjoy seeing her. I got to see her last week. This week, now we're gonna go get lunch. Well, I say lunch, but we're not like actually going to get like food. You'll see what we're getting. She's been doing really well, and she's on track because I told you guys we went to Weight Watcher meetings, but then we ended up we stopped going. We don't pay the $40 to weigh in virtually, which we probably should have. We'd probably be more accountable, but it's just not in the books for me right now to be able to afford it anyways. So I just stick to the regular WWE. And I really want to say, if you have ever like used my WW link for Weight Watchers to get a free month, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. I just checked how many free months I had or whatever, and I just am blown away. You guys are so amazing. I just can't believe it. I really, really appreciate it a lot. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna quit rambling on and hope that my camera had been recording all that. And I will see you guys when I get to Danielle's. Hey, hi. I love the hair. Hi, you guys. Me and Danielle. We just got they're Herbalife shakes essentially, but it's like a meal replacement shake, and we got tea in the back. But we got to calculate it out. And it's only like 5 points or less for this or whatever, because they put awesome. Yeah, they put 2 scoops of the Herbalife healthy meal replacement, and then they put 2 scoops of the other one, which I don't remember the name of. Sorry guys.
It's called protein shake mix.
So essentially it's probably really only like 3 or 4 points. I don't really even know, but I'm just gonna count it as 5. It is what it is. And there's like, it's called crunch cone, and it tastes literally like a bottom of an ice cream cone, and then they put this stuff on top, so it's pretty good. What do you think, Danny?
And there's sprinkles.
It's good. I likes it.
Well, then I gotta do another circle.
Danielle needed food in her. She's got all that hangry feeling, you know.
Hey, hold that. I'm gonna go drive right now. We're gonna go to Shields instead. In that entrance, because we need room.
I'm excited that I'm filming today because I haven't filmed with Danielle in a while, and we are still doing Weight Watchers, but we're in a rut. So that's why we were
in a rut.
Yeah, maybe Danielle can. We got fat again.
Quarantine got us good.
It was one of those things though where it's like it kind of snuck up on you, and then bam, you're like,
and then boom, you're like, oh man, I just ate out every single day of my life for a while.
Or you just eat too much in a sitting at home.
Right.
Or like you make a dinner that's not whatever. But we're back at it. We're fine. So we actually miss our meetings. Don't you? We're gonna eat these. We're gonna go shop a little. I'll probably film a little. We're gonna go to Costco. We're going into Shields now. Yum, there's like chunks of like cone or something.
Yeah, and nuts and sprinkles.
If you watch us and sell Herbalife, I'm not really interested in doing it daily. It's just kind of like a treat. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't think I want to do it permanently, like for a meal.
I mean, I did have it for lunch yesterday too, because I stopped there before work, but today's my day off, so I wanted it.
Yeah, and for me it's almost like a treat. Like I do enjoy my food. But this is really, really good. And it's really filling because it's just liquid. It fills your belly. So, okay, bye. We'll see you guys when we shop. Hi, you guys. We went to Chipotle. We're naughty. No, it's a bowl. It's a salad. Yeah, we're good. We'll show you what I got. I'm nervous to track. I'm gonna track it right now.
I just like to update myself.
Okay, you guys, so I got a side of sour cream. I usually eat half of it, and then I eat a whole entire hot sauce. And then I got a salad with limes. And then I get a salad bowl and some H2O. Yeah, and water. On here I have fajitas, chicken, extra corn, which I don't think he gave me extra corn, and tomatoes. Super good. Oh, and I got black beans today, and I never do. We're calculating out how many points it is, so I'll throw it up on the screen, but super good.
Sorry you guys, I didn't end up filming any of our shopping just because of the virus. I didn't want my camera out, but we just went to Costco, Shields, and Target.
Hi you guys, so I just got home a little bit ago. It's 8 o'clock. Just did a load of dishes, and Jason made some cookies like I said he was going to for my friend. Shredded chicken with buffalo sauce, and Jason made this. It's like a hot sauce concoction. It's super good. And then we're gonna have corn on the cob, and then what we're having is these Mission. You can have 2 of them for 5 points, so I'm gonna have 2. And then on top I'm gonna have a little sour cream, tomatoes, onion probably, and this, and then this sauce. Sorry, my fridge is like crazy, but some of this sauce. So hey you guys, so they're done. This is what they look like. We call these taco pizzas, tostadas, whatever. I'm gonna take a bite for you guys on camera. I'm just gonna hold it like pizza. Jason melted the cheese. Just put some Ortega hot sauce on top, and then a little sour cream. I skipped the guacamole salsa because it just tastes weird. But yeah, super good, you guys. I'm gonna add a little bit more salsa on top, but so good. Only 10 points. Hey you guys, so I just took a shower. I'm gonna end my night here. I have 7 points left. So I'm gonna have a peanut butter and jet puff sandwich. So I'm gonna total it all out here for you guys. 1 piece of bread is only 1 point. So I actually want this one because there's less holes. This bread, you guys, I swear by it. It's so good. I literally love it. 3 points for 2 slices. I don't really know why. It's just not 2, but so then here's my scale. So I'm gonna count that as a snack, and then I'm gonna scan my peanut butter. You can have 2 tablespoons for 7 points. So let's do grams. I'm gonna do 2 points worth. So I can have 12 grams for 2 points. So I'm gonna put this on the scale, and I'm gonna change it to, you can't really see, but I'm gonna change it to grams. Okay, and then I'm going to do 12 grams. We're gonna see. My scale's being wonky. Okay. And I'm only doing 1 piece of toast, or 1 piece of bread. So I'm just gonna put the peanut butter on one side and the Jiffy on one side, and then squish it together. 10, 12. And you guys know peanut butter is very powerful, so you don't have to really have a ton. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon for 1 point. So it's gonna be 13 grams is 2, so half that. So let's just do 7 grams, whatever. This is fresh. I just bought this. I haven't had a peanut butter marshmallow fluff sandwich in a hot minute. It's been a long time. This is literally my favorite. You can have 2 tablespoons for 2 points, and I'm gonna show you 1 tablespoon is probably too much. So we're just gonna go with it. So 7 grams. See, that's only 3 grams, and that's a lot. I might only do, well, I'll probably just do 7. Okay. So there's 7 grams. I'm telling you what, you guys. You would not regret trying this. It's so So good. Okay, you guys, so like I said, I'm looking rough, but so what I do is I just squish it together like so, and you just eat it. I have to take off my makeup. It's just so good. I'm gonna go hang out with Jason for a little bit. Maybe have a little glass of milk with this, and then get ready for bed. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, I'd love to have you subscribe. I'd love to have you stick around. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.